Filling in uneven skin contours can help create a flatter surface and improve the fit of your skin barrier. Adapt paste is used to fill or caulk uneven contours near your stoma. Paste is also used to prevent ostomy drainage from getting under your pouch seal. It is very important to know that paste is not an adhesive, and it is not meant to make your pouch stick better.
To use Adapt paste, first remove the backing from your skin barrier. Next, apply a small bead of Adapt paste at the inner edge of the skin barrier, next to the opening where the stoma will be. Remember, paste is not an adhesive, so too much paste can actually prevent a good seal. Some people find that paste performs better if it is allowed to sit for a short time before it is applied to the skin. Simply apply the paste to your new skin barrier before you remove your used pouch. That should allow ample time.
Be sure to replace the red cap on Adapt paste and screw the cap on snugly. This will help prevent the product from drying out.
Apply your pouch as you have been instructed. The Adapt paste will not harm your stoma. However, it does contain alcohol and may cause a stinging sensation on irritated skin. Any broken or irritated skin near your stoma should be evaluated by a healthcare professional.
If your skin is irritated, an option is to use Adapt barrier rings as an alternative to paste.
If you have to remove your skin barrier after only wearing it for a short period of time, say less than 24 hours, you may have some paste residue left on your skin. Gently lift away the excess paste. However, any paste that remains may be left on your skin as long as the paste is clean. Simply apply your new skin barrier right over the paste.
When you are traveling or anytime you are away from home, Hollister has the option of a unique 1/2 ounce tube of Adapt paste for your convenience.